Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and link Survivor IO accounts. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Survivor.io video game. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and link Survivor.io accounts. So this is pretty simple. When you're on the home screen, you need to go to the top left corner and click on these three lines here, where you'll get to settings, mail, and announcements. Now here you need to go and click on settings. And when you click on settings, there you'll have a lot of settings as you can see. In the bottom side of the screen, you'll have the general and account, and you need to go and click on the account in the bottom side of the screen. Now here, as you can see, I have link accounts to get rewards. You can see that I have, of course, linked one account, and I have an email there which is linked. When you don't have one linked, there you will have add email option. Click on there, put in your email, click confirm, and you will have it linked to that email. Now, every time you go and choose another go and play on another device, you can just tap in that email again, and your progression and saves will all be automatically there on that device also. So that's the main thing and how you can actually go and do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.